Hello everyone, welcome back again. Today we are going to create 3D models for exercise number 1 with ZW3D software. Okay, first you can click Shape and click Sketch. You can choose a top plane. You can click OK. The next in here I will create a rectangle and I will choose from a center point. You can click start from this point. We can set for width into 100 and for height into 100. Can click OK. The next I will create circle. Start from this point. We can set for radius into 10. Create again circle at this point, this corner in here, and the last at this point. You can click OK to apply. Now in here I will create polygon object. You can click polygon tools, and for set we can set it to 7. For radius 20. You can use inscript in circle. The next I will click start from this point. Okay, we create again. In here we can set for distance into 20, radius 20. You can create again in here at this point and in here. You can click OK. The next we can add constraints. You can click these tools. I will select at these lines also in here. We can set into horizontal. You can click OK. We select again at this line also in here. You can set into horizontal and click OK. You can click OK again to close this command. The next I will use a power trim. Okay, you can use this tool, power trim, to cut these entities. Okay, and also we cut in here. The next we cut at this point with power trim. Okay, click power trim. You can cut one by one by using power trim. Click again power trim in here. Okay, and then in the side, last we can cut at this point and cut in here. Now you can click finish cut or click exit in here. The next we can use extrude tools to extrude these entities. You can click here extrude, select the shapes, and I will set into one side. I will set for extrusion into 100. You can click OK, so it will be automatically extrude. The next we can select at this face and I will create sketch. We can create a circle from a center point. We can set for diameter into 60 or radius into 30. Okay. You can exit again and use extrude tools to extrude the circles. We can set into this direction. I will set extrusions into 10. You can click OK. Last we can create a circle in the center point and create sketch. Use a circle command. You can set for radius into 22. You can click OK again. Exit sketch, and then we can select these circles. We can use extrude tools, move into back directions, and I will use remove tools. We can extrude about in here 150. You can click OK. So it will be automatically create hole in here. You can see. You also can use add shape to add this shape with this shape. You can click OK. So it will be automatically combined. The next we can create new dentum plane. You can click these tools, dentum plane. Select from center point in here, and in here we can set for angles in x axis. Okay, I will set into 90 degree. You can click OK. We can use a scratch sketch and select at this plane. The next you can create a polyline object. You can choose these tools, polyline. Start from this point. Move into here to here and click at this point. I will set for angle. You can use these tools, quick dimensions. You can set angle in here. I will set into 45 degree and you can click enter. You can click OK and exit sketch. The next you can use extrusion tool. use remove tools, and in here I will set for profile. You can select this triangle. We can set for extrude type into symmetrical, and you can click OK, so it will be automatically cut. Now in the bottom here we can select this face. We can create new sketch. Okay, we can create circle, start from this point. You can set for radius into 30, click OK, exit and use extrude tools. We can select the circles, use one side. The next I will use remove tools, and in here we can set for 20. You can click OK, so it will be cut. Now in here we can use a fillet command. You can click here fillet. We can set loop into outer. You can use this loop tools and select these points. Also in it, and the next in it. The last you can rotate again orbit and select this face. Click OK. We fillet again. In here I will use these tools. Fillet with single chamfer, single edge. You can click OK. And the last you can fillet with radius 5. You can select this edge for profiles. You can click OK again. Now we already create these simple 3D models for exercise number 1 with ZW3D software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.